Greetings, welcome to week 4 of Loki 3100, the art and science of map design. GeoVisualization. Joseph Kursky here with you, glad you're here. Rasters and vectors are the maps we two can share. I digress. We begin week 4, folks, by examining 5 global trends. Geo-awareness, geo-enablement, geotechnology, citizen science, and storytelling, each of which has direct bearing on location intelligence and mapping. We then go into location privacy and why it matters. Next is a core fundamental topic, topology, how things are related to each other on maps, followed by another core topic, spatial analysis, and then spatial statistics. Next, we examine some additional fascinating maps, millennials, elevation, sports, architecture, and population change, to name a few, as well as some really interesting base maps. Our hands-on time in our lab take us directly into creating a field survey with a topic on litter. We're going to use Survey 123 to do that. Survey 123. You can take this survey out into the field and fill it out, have others fill it out, and best of all, analyze the results through interactive maps. You will then examine a few maps that touch on the location privacy theme, followed by studying an amazing gigapixel image. Next, we get into multimedia story maps, examining what's out there, but then getting right into creating your own. Next, it is time for spatial analysis, tracing downstream, calculating a mean center, and a standard deviational ellipse. You will then take a short quiz as usual, and that's a wrap for week number 4. Thanks and map on.